Mr. Andrew Holness, may I beg you please, do one thing for me. Ban TikTok from Jamaica.
No, blame them a informer, dog. You can't make screen recorder catch you with them boy, the youth. That me I try to tell you, my dog. Dog, listen, dog. Wanna look, dog. Wanna listen, youth. Wanna look. Your belly full, dog. Listen. We're bad youth anywhere in a real life, we're bad, dog.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon from wherever you're tuning in from. Welcome to my channel. It's underscore Kisaka. It's my YouTube channel name, and I'm happy to have you back on this channel. If it is your first time on this channel, please do me a favor by subscribing, liking this video, commenting down below this video, and also sharing this video out. If you're my returning subscribers, thank you for always taking your time to come back and watch my videos. TikTok is one of the main social media platforms that is really helping many people to earn from it, content creators to earn from it at the same time as it gets to entertain people and relieve stress from people. But recently there have been calls from people. Some are saying that they want TikTok to be banned. Recently, one of the Jamaican dancers was on TikTok saying, urging, or rather pleading to the Jamaican Prime Minister Andrew Holness to ban TikTok in Jamaica. Let's look at the video and then we get back for more comments.
Popular dancer Gabidan is urging the Prime Minister to do this.
Mr. Andrew Holness, may I beg you please, do one thing for me. Ban TikTok from Jamaica. Do me I beg you. TikTok was for dancing, fun, and happiness. And now I find out that TikTok is for crime and violence and cussing. Nobody not happy again. Nobody not do no happiness. Nobody not make no routine. Nobody not, bro. The dancer them a try, bro. And me I tell you, say, bro, it's like a big violence and badness and cursing and una tell us somebody for jump through this and them mama. Una tell us Andrew, do me a beg you. Me I beg you a favor. Get rid of that up here. I want to come off fight too. Cause right now, this don't make no sense. TikTok is not for kids anymore. First time you could have just get a pick me your phone and say, yo, what am I doing now? What am I go up on the TikTok? You can't get pick me your phone to go up on TikTok again. 2 months of bad word and how much suck your mama and 2 months of crime and violence them you there push on TikTok, bro. Not even your picnic cannot go on TikTok right now. If you give picnic the phone, you have to make sure say TikTok not up on it, cause if you make a kids go up on TikTok, it will turn a picnic into a violence influencer or something that's bad, bro. Everybody I beg, everybody I tell one of them I shoot them one of them, everybody I tell them what, bro. I'm tired right now, man. I'm tired, man. Every turn I turn, somebody I tell them one of them, man. Or me I go you, or me I beg you this or me I beg you that, or some fishiness are going over this, or bro, we need but the TikTok where everybody can go on with the happiness step on, bro, the dancing and the fun and the acting, bro. We don't want to see no fishiness. We don't want to hear about no violence. We don't want to hear, bro. We don't come down now, man. The whole on, man. The whole on, nyami, and the whole on, bro. No go, man. And come over TikTok, TikTok for people who make sense, bro. Because someone don't make no sense, bro, with them on TikTok. I'll be a idiot. That may I tell you now.
So yes, guys, this has been the video. You can see the dancer. He is calling out the Jamaican Prime Minister Andrew Holness to ban TikTok in Jamaica. His views has not gone down well with a lot of all the, or rather all the people. The majority of the people are against it. They're saying that TikTok in itself is not that bad, but the people using it are the ones with the problem. Because there are some people using it to make money, and there are some who are using it in wrong ways. There are some that are using it to make money, but yeah, they are using it in wrong ways. There are some people who are using it promoting dance, and this is one of the main reasons that once TikTok came up, majority of people were doing dancing videos, promoting their music you'll find that there are some songs that get to go viral easily on TikTok as compared to these other social media platforms. However, there are some people who are posting bad stuffs, but the good thing with machine learning, it is getting better day by day, because there are some people who are employed to look at some of the videos, and through AI, the AIs are able to detect whatever is not right, like pictures that are not suitable for children, etc. But however, all in all, up to this date, you can't compare TikTok to a platform like YouTube. YouTube is family friendly. It's much more family friendly as compared to TikTok. So what this dancer is saying, according to me, this is my personal opinion. I think it can't be affected, because not the whole of TikTok is bad in totality, because there are just a few elements that are doing content that is not good. Like recently, there's this content creator that from Jamaica. I think there are two. There's no one known as Wild Dog, something of the sort, and there's one that was shot live on TikTok. He was recording live, and he was unalived, uh, known as near something. So in such a case, there are also other TikTokers that came out. There's even one that I think they were in one of the videos. He was warning the late TikToker Naya that somebody wants to unalive him, something of the sort. And in one of the videos, he's sharing out his magazine, showing uh, the bullets. Such kind of videos is not good. And then the language. There's some videos, as the dancer has complained, some of the languages that they use in these videos is not that good. But I'm sure with time, as people, the guys who are doing machine learning for AIs, I think they are changing this. This narrative will be long and gone, and soon clean content will be on TikTok, just the way it has been on YouTube. This is one of the great competitors of YouTube, and YouTube tried to come up, and not only even YouTube, even Meta, that is Instagram and Facebook. They are also trying to emulate what TikTok has come up with the YouTube coming up with the what we call YouTube Shorts. Even currently, live YouTube is trying to encourage people to do live in a vertical form, as opposed to the normal horizontal live forms. So this move, I don't know. I'm sure by this time the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, has gotten foot of this clip, and I think he will try to act on that. Personally, I think as a country can put up some policies on what exactly they can go about. But it beats logic, because some of these acts, like the Naya Gang, the Jamaican content creator who was unlived on TikTok, it beats logic, because the same people are incriminating themselves on camera, because like that guy came and showed live magazine.
So nobody think a joke now. And when me I tell you, my youth, listen what me I tell you, dog. Listen, dog. Wanna look, dog. Wanna listen, youth. Wanna look. He belly full, dog. Listen. We're bad youth anywhere in a real life, we're bad, dog. Look, dog. Look, dog. Shalom. Wanna go suck.
This is one of the content creators alleged to be involved in the murder of Naya. He is known as One Kappa Sauce. You can see he's using profane language, showing off his magazine and cursing words, etc. This clip was evident some months ago. It has gone so bad on his character.
Recently, he's been making some posts on his TikTok. One reads, "I've been seen with a magazine on live, but listen, no one is perfect. We all human beings. We gonna make mistakes. So who think I'm a bad person, please don't judge. The devil is a liar." He went on saying, "Mommy, them a try everything to get me out. But God got your promise."
So I'm sure some police officers are online trying to look at what these guys are posting. However, in the United States, majority of the Jamaicans are living abroad, and one of the places that majority of them are in high numbers is the United States, apart from Canada and the UK. It is said that there was some court cases that was going place, and by January 19th, TikTok maybe it could be banned in the United States, with currently having a number of around 170 million users. In the first term of Donald Trump, he was of the view of closing TikTok, because he was also against some of these China companies like Huawei. But currently, he's changing tone. Even the CEO of Meta, that is Mark Zuckerberg, donated around $1 million to his inauguration. And also, Elon Musk came in handy in his Elon Musk, the CEO of X, former Twitter, came in handy to campaign for Donald Trump. So he's currently changing tune, and as you know, he's a businessman. So I don't know how this is gonna go, but there was a case that was in, and after 20th January, that's when we'll get to know whether TikTok will be banned in the US or not. So there's been several clips of people talking of banning TikTok, but according to me, I think it won't be that easy, because TikTok in itself is not that bad. It's just like there were some people who are really against this social media platform like Facebook, and then when it came to the pandemic, even the men of cloth, there are some who are using the same means to pass their messages. So I think if you are there and you're using TikTok or any social media platform, use it positively to impact the lives of others, to entertain others, and not to glorify yourself or promote some of these bad vices like the guns and also the languages. This has been the video for today, and you can leave down your opinion on what do you think about this whole situation. Are you of the view that TikTok should be banned in Jamaica, or what do you think can be done to regulate some of these contents that is being created, is being churning out? And I can say social media is now part of employment to some people, because we have seen some of these content creators in TikTok making a good life out of it. So banning completely will not go that right to some people. This is just my opinion. You can leave your opinion down this video. Cheers, guys. Thank you for always supporting this channel. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor by subscribing to this channel, liking this video, and comment. See you next time. God bless.